My guitar only has one string, but it's supposed to have six. For now I've only got an E, but with an A string this could be a simple problem to fix. My guitar only has two strings, it's just the E and the A. The next one that I'll need is D, and I'd suspect we'd all agree there's probably more on the way. My guitar only has three strings, the E, the A, and the D. We're almost halfway through the song, and please correct me if I'm wrong. I think the next is the G. My guitar only has four strings, the E, A, D, and the G. It's getting pretty tough to play with two more strings still on the way. I guess it's time for the B. My guitar only has five strings, the E, A, D, G, and B. There's only one more verse to sing, because I still need one more string. Can someone hand me the E? My guitar finally has six strings, and now you know what they are. We started with E, A, and D, and finished with G, B, and E. And I'm so glad you came with me to learn about the guitar.